What's up guys, Jason here, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a space blaster just by using one 260 balloon. So all you need is just one 260 balloon inflated till there's about an 8 finger space at the back. Make sure the balloon is soft, okay? So it's just a simple space blaster. So first of all, let's start with a 3 finger bubble. Alright, and a 2 finger bubble. Now you hold these two in place, pull up and twist a few times. And then now you're gonna make a 3 finger loop. No, sorry, a 4 finger loop. 4 finger, make a loop. And twist it back into the 2 twists. Now here, you're gonna need to create a 3 finger bubble, another 3 finger bubble, right? Another 4 finger loop, another 4 finger loop. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is we put this into the loop, these 2 loops, inside these 2 loops. Okay, we're going to shove it inside the loop. Okay. Okay, almost done. And done. So now you can make a bubble at the top. What you need to do is just twist a 2 finger bubble. Just put at the top and done. So this is how you make a space blaster. So if you find this video useful, be sure to like and share the video, and see you guys next time.